everybody, it's your Janelle and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you a couple of different of my favorite hairstyles to do when my silk press is getting a little old, but I don't have an appointment or I don't have anything to do with my hair next. So these are some ideas that you can do if your hair is already straightened, and things that you can do to make the silk press last just a little bit longer, until you can find something else to do with your hair. So keep watching for these quick, easy, simple hairstyles. First things first, these hairstyles are in no particular order. I love them all. They help me stretch my hair a little bit longer. I try to keep, if I get my hair pressed out, I would like to keep it that way at least 2 to 3 weeks, but my hair gets oily super quick. So sometimes these hairstyles are implemented a little bit sooner than I would like, but I've been trying to knock out some videos, so I've been talking all day. So these hairstyles sometimes are implemented a little bit quicker than 2 or 3 weeks, but I like to keep it that way. So the first style, of course, is just this regular ponytail. I just brushed it up with a hard brush, and then of course I did my edges just a little bit. I don't really have baby hairs like that, so I just like to swoop the little hairs that I do have on my temple. So this is just a nice sleek ponytail, and then after this, what I normally do sometimes is just separate it in 3 and then braid it. So that will give you like a braided little hairstyle. And I'm not the best with braiding either, so bear with me, especially going back like this. But this is another thing that I like to do, especially in the summertime, when I don't want my hair out. Even if it's not old, I still will sometimes put it in this little ponytail, and then I could probably go a little longer. Let's see. And then just braid. If my hair was longer, I would probably like it more. But even for the length that it is right now, it's still a good, quick and easy, simple, stylish hairstyle that you can do. So after I finish braiding this, I'll just go in with a rubber band and tie it, seal it at the end, and then this is what it looks like. And you can kind of see it. It's not the most perfect, but this is what it looks like from the side. So that is style number 2. And then of course after that, I would do like this, and it's just like a little braided bun. And then what I'll do is just tuck it underneath here. And again, like I said, these hairstyles are great for the summer, especially if you are out and about and you start getting hot. It's easy to kind of switch it to another type of hairstyle. So this is like the braided bun. So that's that. Another thing that I also like to implement is different like headbands and things of that nature, pins. So then, like, let's say I have it like this, I'll go in with like a scarf and make the scarf a headband, and that's another way. That's another way that you can rock it like that. I kind of like it pulled forward. I don't know why, but I like it like this. That's another way that you can style it. So after that, I really like this braided ponytail. After that, you want to be careful taking the rubber band out because you don't want to break any of your hair off. Okay, and now that you took the braided ponytail out, you just have like a regular ponytail, and then of course you can just go in, wrap your hair around like this, put a scrunchie on top, and then there you have it. Another quick, simple, easy another style. So after that, I would go like in with a mid ponytail. So just bring it down just a little bit. And mid ponytails, I love a mid ponytail. Like, I just love it back here. Cause from straight on, it looks like you just have like a little bun. These are like the little, I know Lori Harvey does the middle buns a lot, and I like it on her because it just draws attention to your face. And if you have like fresh, clean makeup, I really love that look. And I don't know if you noticed, but my head kind of goes like this. But this is another way that you can do it, just like a middle bun like that. And just like this. And like I said, the frame is just your face. Like, we're getting face. And another thing I like to do is like leave a little bit out and kind of like feather it a little bit. And it just gives like a nice twist to like a regular ponytail. So I like that a lot. Okay, so after something like this, which is like a mid ponytail, I may go in and do so after something like that, I will probably take my comb and do like a side part here and kind of like circle the side part. And this is another little cute hairstyle that I like. Is very like early 2000s, late 90s, little side profile. Again, you can go in with the bun, and then this is what it looks like with the bun. And again, I like this little extra piece kind of to stick out. It just gives it an extra flair. And this is what this looks like. I love this hairstyle. I do. Alright, so now that we have this little bang here, you can also do a lot of different things with this part. So I have these a lot of different clips that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below where I got this from, but I'll go in with this little simple gold one right here, or you can do with a regular black bobby pin as well. And what I'll do is kind of like swoop it a little bit over my ear part, and then bobby pin the back of it like that. So now this back piece has like a little decorative piece to it, and then this is another way that you can style it as well. So I really love that. It's very cute, very 90s, very stylish. So this is this look. A little colic. So this is this look. I love this. Or if you don't want to do it over your ear, you can also like tuck it behind your ear. I like to just place it like this and then just tuck it like that, so it can keep that shape. And just tuck it like that, and you can just tuck it behind your ear, or again, you can use a bobby pin and make sure that like it stays straight. And then you can kind of like deck these out as well. Because like I said, I do have a couple of clips, so you can go in and clip it here as well. Here as well. And if you want to add another clip, let's use this one for example, you can go in, add another clip, and then let's do one more. Let's do a pearl. Let's do a pearl. And again, that pack of clips that I got was probably only like $12. Is this a lot? Or should I put it over here? Here or here? Actually, I think I just like this. I like this, how this is. I don't want to junky it up, but yeah, you can kind of deck it out with different clips that you have as well. And it's another cute little addition that you can do to the style. Okay, so after this style, I would probably jump into the Chinese bangs. Sometimes you may need to go in with a flat iron to like make sure it's flat at the top, but sometimes I can just comb mine through and it will stay, especially if my hair is older, because it has like more oils. So this is this look. I love this. This is like my go-to. Super cute, super flirty, super girly. So this is what this looks like. So after this, you can do, like I said, up bun. You can do a middle bun. You can do a low bun. Next idea after this, while we have this middle part here, we can continue the middle part a little deeper. So we can continue the middle part a little deeper, like that. If I was in the bathroom, I would like make sure this part is like super precise, but for the purpose of this video, we're not gonna get super precise. So this is like the sleek middle part bun. I think this is so classy. You can also do like a low bun without the part, but like I said, I have a weird head shape, so it looks a little funny when I do it. So this is what this is. And this is just a super low bun. And you can go ahead and again tuck it, being like this. And this is what this looks like. Cute, simple, easy, and that's that. And then again, since we're down here, we can also add a braid like last time. This is kind of giving Sade vibes, right? And then go in. I don't know what happened to my rubber band, but you can go in and this. You can have it up to the front, or you can just leave it in the back. I would probably just leave it how it is in the back. And that is another way you can style your hair. And then of course you can go in with the braided bun like that. That's an option. And then last but not least, we can do a low side part bun too. So I like my side parts kind of like where my I guess you can call this like your upper temple, but kind of where like my swoops start. I kind of like starting it there and then doing like the circle part. This is another option you have when it comes to styling your hair. All right, so that is all for this video. I hope you got some ideas that you can do to make your silk press last a little longer. Of course, if I was really doing something, I'll probably do my edges a little bit more, straighten them out a little bit, but those are like my go-to hairstyles that I do, that I love, especially for the summertime. Hopefully this year we can get our summer back and be out in these streets. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.